Gang, what it is. Mook and a V back with another video. And man, we back to dropping consistently, man. At least 3-4 a week, gang. Maybe hit y'all with some back-to-back days. But give y'all a little rundown on what's going on today, man. I know y'all see me with the, you know what I'm saying, with the A Boogie on, you know what I mean? Mook and the V, you feel me? Go ahead, holla at me. I got what y'all need, yeah. Going down the arm too, you feel me? But give y'all a little rundown what's going on, man. It is my son's birthday weekend. Well, his birthday is on Monday, and it's the weekend, so it's his birthday weekend, I guess, whatever. MLK Day weekend too, man. We teeing up a little bit, man, so this video probably have a couple of days put in it, may have multiple days, not sure yet, but we just about to go ahead and get into some action, man. I know a couple of things that we gonna do, but some stuff I'm just freestyling, man. Y'all already know how it is, man. If y'all don't know, I did just get custody of my son, so I'm within like the first 5 months or so of having them, you know what I mean? So if y'all go back and look at my videos from last year, I had to go to Florida to go celebrate his birthday with him, his 10th birthday, and we had a ball. Y'all should go check that video out, man. And hit the thumbs up on it. Matter of fact, we're gonna stop this right here. If y'all made it this far in the video, stop right here, go down, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and then you can continue to watch this video. Appreciate y'all, man. You know, you gotta say that sometimes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Even though it's gonna be right on one of these, either that side or that side, still, I understand the video be so good that you know, you forget to. But yeah, man, I'm about to go grab my son right now. He blowing my phone up here at my mom's house. I gotta go pick a buddy up from work, drop him off, because that's what just good friends do, you know what I mean? And I'm finna go get y'all this cold start, gang. I'll see that man over there. He was on my heels at the door. Like, what's that in your hand? Just the camera, man. Just the camera. I see that thing right there. Too small for your hand?
Yeah.
Well, then you gotta get you a different ball.
I got 60.
Okay.
Not too sharp.
It's about to get ugly in a minute. When I get to spinning, when I get to putting a little spin.
No, don't do the spin. No. I forgot about that. He ain't gonna make it anyways. He ain't gonna make it.
Alright, gang, man. We had a good time at the bowling alley, man. We about to go ahead and get up out of here. Little homie kind of upset because I just had to do it to him, man. Y'all seen the final score, or maybe y'all didn't. It was 26 to like 2 something, but he did a good job, man. You know what I'm saying? So we had a good time, man. What up, gang, man? It's been a long couple of days, man. But like I told y'all, man, we giving y'all about 3-4 days worth of birthday action, man, with my little man. We actually right now I'm about to go get something to eat on his birthday. Today is his actual birthday. I don't know how the video gonna get mashed up, man. Y'all gonna get a lot of me saying that in this video because it's just the truth. And also I I got this new little light on the camera, man. Tell me what y'all think about it, how it look, man. It's just a little nifty little thing I just picked up. See how it look at nighttime, man, so y'all could actually, you know, see the guy at nighttime or whatever on the camera. I know y'all don't like when it be all in the dark like that, but whatever. I ain't finna keep on talking to you, man. We about to go hit Outback Steakhouse, man, and let me go ahead and get the Prince right now. See what he doing. Camo.
What's up, everybody? It's my birthday today, and I'm turning 11 years old.
Big 11, big 1-1. Gonna get this cold start. Gotta press the button right here twice. See that button?
This one?
Yep. Point it at the car. And press it twice fast. Uh-oh. Let him drive it?
Yes, I'm driving.
Nah, he ain't ready for that. Alright, gang, man. We had to get a little car wash before we pulled up, man. We've been running around dirty for like 2 weeks now. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I ain't got no wash. But, man, yeah, we about to go ahead and get our grub on the Outback in a minute. Whoa, what's going on? The whole car wash just stopped, y'all. Can y'all see that? Whole joint just stopped on us. Can y'all see through there? Okay. Oh, we had to grab that, you know what I mean, and get up out of here. Birthday boy energy. First birthday, man. First birthday home staying with dad, man. Great feeling. I can't even explain to y'all, man. Y'all didn't understand. Don't even understand, man. We've done a little bit of everything, man. You know, we finna hit the I-fly. We went bowling twice. Waiting to talk because y'all probably can't hear me with that thing right there. But yeah, man, we in I-fly. We went bowling. We done went to the store and got toys. We done got V-Bucks, man. What is going on? So ain't none of this supposed to be moving? Bro, they jipping us, man. Look at that. That thing ain't even moving up there. Ain't no way my car wash over with way back here. Look how much room I got left. Oh, so they just got everything back there, huh? What they did, man, that wasn't right though. My tire shine better be on there. I better have my tire shine on there, I can tell you that much. Alright, y'all, my Caesar salad just arrived. It actually looks pretty good. Thought it was gonna look a little bit different than that, but it looks actually pretty good. Can y'all see that?
We were like, hey dude, so this is what happened.
Ate these fries. So I ate half these fries. Now we got a salad plus drinks. I was watching Joe Budden podcast. Had the bread, salad. Food ain't here yet, man, and we food.
Yeah, that's what we call her.
That's not good. This salad is really good, y'all. Highly recommend it. This salad is really good, man. It's one of the best seasons I've had anywhere. This is like top 3 best seasons that I've had. I'm not a capper. Alright, y'all, we just basically just spending money for no reason at this point. We just got food. We just got all type of food, y'all. I know it's supposed to be a food review, but I'm not hungry. It's supposed to be a food review, but I'm not hungry.
Hey. You recorded that? You saw me?
I was recording us eating. I don't know if I did though, honestly. I didn't.
You probably did. It was
See,
the smoothest thing ever.
See, you just brought light to it, so now everybody needs to see this. Hey, and I give y'all all cards to my YouTube channel so you can see this. Like, we just had a spill over here, y'all. I don't think y'all seen it though, but she brought light to herself. I think she wanted the camera on the low key. That's funny. Almost forgot that I wasn't recording no more, man. You wanna hold the camera while I take the first break?
I turn my back for a minute. I know. You can play match. Here's the ice up there.
Is it good?
What?
Let me see. Flip the back. Flip it up. Yeah, zoom it in a little bit.
Yeah.
Get your hand off of this, because this thing is coming out. Zoom a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of decent. Alright, let them see it. Get a close up on it. Let them see it. Put it right over there. No, take the camera and put the camera closer to it. See it? What y'all think? What it look like? Alright. Take it.
Guys, I'm gonna beat up Dada when we get out. I'm gonna beat him up, okay?
Yep. The country Wayne say, y'all. Y'all.
Huh, yeah.
Yep. Pretty good. They ain't got a medium on there, but
Guys, when we get home, I'm gonna beat Dada up for snitching on me, okay? Alright.
What you talking about, bro?
I was just talking to
I ain't even tell her what you said. She gonna see the video regardless. I just called her and let her know you gonna have a beef with him in like a week or two. That's all I said. I didn't tell her what you said. She still gotta watch the video and see it.
No.
But yeah, man. You see? Alright, family, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. This is gonna be the second video that I've shot with my son on his birthday. First one being last year. At this time, we were in Florida. We were in the ocean, man. Y'all should go and check that one out. Pretty dope. This one a lot different. We back in Chicago. Snow outside, it's cold, you know what I'm saying? My son lives with me now, so he lives out here in Chicagoland area. Yeah, man, I hope y'all like the video, man. Just something a little different, not a lot of car content in there. You know, we saw the old school Mustang and everything. But yeah, man, gave y'all a little bit of, you know, this and that in this one, you know what I mean? Got some real dope videos coming, man. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on testing the bar, pushing the limit, giving y'all different types of videos, man. I'm gonna do my 1-year anniversary video. That should be coming soon. Maybe before this, I'm not sure, but it should be out real soon. I'm going to do a picture-in-picture and just watch the video with you guys, and we can comment on it live, and should be a good time, man, because should be a good time. I've come a long way since last year starting the channel, first time getting on social media. So it should be fun, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video because right now I'm just mumbling and bumbling and tumbling. I'm tired, man. I've been working all day. Had to come home, take my son out to eat where he wanted to go and eat at, man. We've been doing stuff all weekend. I just need some sleep, y'all. But that's a wrap for the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe again, man. Jump in them comments, man. Let me know what y'all thinking about the videos, man. Gang, 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 gang. And let me know what y'all think about the new light, man. I like it because y'all can see me, yeah, man. Y'all can see it, bro, man, in the dock now, baby. But all right, gang, I'll holler at y'all. Gang.